What is up? It's De La Cruz. Let's get started with today's page. Look, I got all my stuff ready. My sister is still here because, yeah, I have to get to school early. So, like, as soon as I drop her off at her bus, I'm gonna go straight to school because we have that morning breakfast we have to go to. So, yeah, I'll see you when I'm wherever I'm at. So I'll see you in a bit, okay? Look what we found. We found the Ferrari. Oh, Pero, look at it. Look at that right there. It's big here, huh? Yeah, we can. This is where we're gonna have the breakfast. So, look at this. Is there supposed to be a waterfall right there, huh? Oh, Hall of Fame.
Light rail trolley to downtown. Crown Mill Village rests in the shadows of Mount Rachel, which provides for excellent high.
Look, we're leaving now. That's where it's at. Right there. It is raining hella hard and I'm gonna go swim outside. Just so y'all know, I got my tripod here. That's what I'm recording with my phone. I'm recording with my camera because I have the case on, the waterproof case on. And this camera that I'm using right now to record is not going outside because I cannot let this camera get wet. Okay, so yeah, I'm ready. I got shorts. I got sandals. I'll take out my glasses. I got some of these goggles, so yeah, we're gonna get ready to go outside. I hope nothing bad happens, so yeah, let's go outside. Boy, it is raining hella hard. Look at all that. Woo. We about to get turned up here. I'm gonna get in that, so yeah, you'll see me in this team. And you know, hopefully nothing bad happens. We are under a lot of trees, so yeah. I'm gonna set this up right quick. My feet are getting wet. The camera is gonna switch over, so we're gonna be on this camera. So yeah, I'll see you right now. Let's go. So I'm gonna go right now. I haven't switched over to the camera, but you're gonna see two things. I'm turning this one on. Hold up. I'll put my goggles on too. These are too big though. I mean, too small. So let's go. It is on now, so yeah, let's go. Woo. Go inside. It's hella cold, bro. I'll see you back upstairs. Let's go back upstairs. Let's go back up. Whoa! So I just took a shower. Oh, I kind of spit. I'm sorry. I took a shower. I got my stuff here. I was editing, so I hope you enjoyed what I recorded. And well, you know, this is gonna be at the end of today's page, which is today's the 29th, and I'm confused. Huh. Okay, so you're seeing this page right now, so this is 29 or whatever. Okay, so there will be another page today, later on, posted around 8 or 9 or something, which is we're gonna get back to the daily schedule. So yeah, I'll see you in tomorrow's page. Outro. Let's go.
When I die, fuck it, I wanna go to hell. Cause I'm a piece of shit, it ain't hard to fucking tell.